Hi, good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Probability Lecture 2. Let's quickly revise whatever we have studied in our last class, previous lecture. Whatever we have studied, what are the points to remember? Yeah, recollect. Okay. So, basic points to remember are we studied few terminologies involved in the topic. That was, we started with a random experiment. We started with random experiment we started with random experiment. Then we studied sample space denoted by S. And it is always represented in curly bracket, students. S is equal to curly bracket में जाएगा वो. S is equal to curly bracket. Talking about sample points. Sample points is nothing but N of S. Total number of possible outcomes. So S is always represented in curly bracket. Sample points हम लोग ने पढ़े थे. Sample points is denoted by N of S. And also we studied event, right? Events हम लोग ने पढ़ा था. Let any event we can denote it by alphabets A, B, C, etc. And today we are supposed to study types of event. Also we studied about probability का formula. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S, where this is number of sample space, sample points जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, and this is possible outcomes of an event. ठीक है? Let us go ahead today with types of event. Let us go ahead with types of events. See, types of events are very easy. पहला आता है impossible event. We can study it with the help of an example. Suppose a coin is tossed, so sample space आ जाएगा h comma t. I'm not writing that event, and let A be the event where I want head and tail. I want head एंड टेल. मुझे दोनों चाहिए. अभी मुझे एक बात बताओ. सपोज आई एम टॉसिंग अ कॉइन, तो एक तो हेड है और दूसरे साइड में टेल है, बराबर. अभी मैं जब टॉस करूंगा तो दोनों में से कुछ एक ही आने वाला है. या तो हेड आएगा या तो टेल आएगा. इट मींस हेड एंड टेल साथ में तो कभी नहीं आएगा. इन दैट केस माय इवेंट इज नोन एज एम्प्टी. द सेट इज नोन एज एम्प्टी सेट. एम्प्टी सेट या नल सेट, जिसको हम लोग ऐसे भी डिनोट करते हैं, और A इज इक्वल टू नथिंग बट अ नल सेट. ठीक है. तो इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट का मतलब whenever I get an empty set as the outcome of the event, we call it as impossible event. We call it as impossible event. Also, there is something called as sure event. Sure event. Sure event क्या है बच्चों? Suppose again, let my random experiment be same. Tossing a coin, head comma tail आ जाएगा. Whenever I toss a coin, I'll get sample space head comma tail. Now my B is the event of getting head or tail. अभी इधर मुझे चाहिए head और tail. So here it would be head चाहिए, तो H भी लिखना पड़ेगा, या तो tail चाहिए तो T आएगा. In this case, अच्छा, in this case, what will be P of B? It would be N of B upon N of S. ठीक है. So P of B क्या है? 2 upon S क्या है? N of S 2, which is equal to 1. So sure event can be defined as any event whose probability is 1 is called as sure event. होना ही होना है, is called as sure event. Understood? So there are sure event which we studied just now, also which we studied sure event we studied, also we studied impossible events. Now let us go ahead to one more type of event, that is known as certain event. Certain event. Let us go to the next term, certain event. Certain event क्या बोलता है पता है क्या? Every set is a subset of itself, and hence S is a subset of itself. Therefore, corresponding to S is called certain event. ठीक है? This is not there in your course at present. You will study this in higher standard. Let us go ahead with complementary event. Next type of event which we are going to study is complementary event. Complementary event क्या है पता है क्या? If A is any event from the sample space, if A is any event from sample space, A is any event, if A is any event from sample space, of an experiment, then non-occurrence event of A, then non-occurrence event of A, non-occurrence event A, non-occurrence of event A is an event called complementary to it, called complementary to it. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये definition बहुत technical terms में लिखा है. The language of the definition is quite high. Like I will explain you in a simple language. ठीक है. Suppose A is the event. ठीक है. Suppose A is the event. Sorry, A is an event of winning the game. Suppose A is an event of winning the game. ठीक है. Therefore, उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होएगा? ये इवेंट ए का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होएगा? इट वुड बी ए डैश. इट मींस ए डैश विल बी द इवेंट. ए डैश इज एन इवेंट ऑफ लूजिंग द गेम. ए डैश इज एन इवेंट ऑफ लूजिंग द गेम. समझा? Let us me take one more example. Let me check समझा कि नहीं. Suppose B is the event. B is the event of passing the examination. B is the event of passing the examination. अभी B is the event of passing examination, तो इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ जाएगा B dash. What will be E? What will be B dash? It would be B dash is the event of failing the examination. समझा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री का मतलब? इसका फॉर्मूला भी अपने पास. We are having formula of complementary event as well. See, in majority, it may vary from books to books. Some books use A and A dash uska complement. Some books use A and A bar as its complement. Referring to our standard textbook, A dash is referred. Okay. And what is the formula of complementary event? Any idea? Any guesses? Complementary event का formula क्या हो जाएगा? Suppose probability of A. So what will be probability of complementary event? It will be P of A dash. It would be P of A dash. ठीक है. So इसका formula है that I will discuss at the time we solve sums based on it. ठीक है. At present I am not disclosing the formula. Let it be the suspense that I will open in the next lecture. Finally, let me come to the last part of the theory of probability. Like we have completed all the theory of the probability, talking about the last part, that is concept of cards, that is known as concept of cards, जिसके ऊपर question आएगा. Concept of cards, पत्ते. ठीक है. अच्छा, बेसिक आइडिया तो सबको रहेगा. concept of cards बोलूंगा तो how many there are total, how many cards, कितने cards है total अपने पास? 56, 52, 55 कितने? Yes, there are total 52 cards. A pack of cards कितना कार्ड रहता है एक पैक में? 52 कार्ड रहता है. Perfect. And how they are classified? Let us study that. ठीक है. How they are classified? Let us study that. I am sharing my screen. I hope that PowerPoint presentation is visible to you. And let us study from that concept of cards, and we are done for the day. ठीक है. A pack of card. Talking about a pack of card, no बच्चों. Talking about pack of card, there are total 52 cards in a pack. There are total 52 cards in a pack. उसमें से how they are classified further? They are classified as 26 red cards and 26 black cards. 52 total playing cards है. कैसे क्लासीफाई करते हैं हम लोग उसको? 26 रेड एंड 26 ब्लैक. अभी ये जो 26 रेड एंड 26 ब्लैक है वो भी फर्दर डिवाइड होंगे. Am I right or wrong? Yes, they will be also classified further. That is 26 red cards will be further classified as 13 heart and 13 diamonds. Okay, you can see their symbol as well. And talking about 26 black cards, there are total 13 spade and 13 club. ठीक है, so this is the further classification of playing cards. 20 पहले 52 रहते हैं, उसमें से 26 red, 26 black. 26 red are further classified as 13 heart and 13 diamond. 26 black are further classified as 13 spade and 13 club. Any doubt still here? See, this is how a particular collection of card look like. Suppose if I am talking about collection of heart cards, so it will start from number 1 till 10 and then we are having 3 face card: king, queen, jack. हिंदी में बोले तो इक्का, राजा, रानी और गुलाम. ठीक है. And there are 2 to 10 number cards. 2 to 10 number cards. Similarly in spade, diamond, club. See the classification. In every suit there are 3 face cards. मतलब 3 of diamond, 3 of spade, heart and club. So 3 into 4 कितना आएगा? 12. So if someone asks you there are how many face cards, total face cards, there are total 12 face cards. Then there are 4 ace. There are how many ace? There are total 4 ace cards. 4 एक के रहते हैं हर कलर के. Therefore total letter cards भी जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं are 12 प्लस वो जो 4 ये जो हम लोग ऐड करेंगे ace के वो. So it is 16. And number cards are from 2 to 10. Number cards are from what? 2 to 10. And ऐसे कितने कलर है अपने पास? 4. So it would be 9 into 4, that is 36. Understood? So this is the concept of cards. Let me revise it quickly. There are how many cards? Total cards. There are total 52 playing cards. ठीक है? So there are total 52 playing cards. And out of which 26 are red and 26 are black. Perfect. And how many total there are face cards? 12 face cards. How many ace cards? 4 ace cards. And how many number cards? Bolo bolo. How many number cards are there total? 36. And this was the concept of cards. So let me revise whatever we have did today and then we will stop for the day. Okay, we have completed today we started with types of event, out of which we studied sure event. Sure event के बारे में हम लोग ने बात किया. Also we studied about impossible event. Also we studied about impossible event. ये 2 इवेंट थे जिसके बारे में हमने बात किया. श्योर इवेंट का प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 रहता है एंड इधर इसका इवेंट का आउटकम होता है एम्प्टी सेट. उसके बाद वी स्टडीड concept of cards. 52 divided further as 26 26. They are further divided as 13 13. This classification is there. I'll be providing that notes in the description. Okay, do not worry. And next lecture will be solving based on this, solving sums based on this. There are total how many types of sum? First sums will be based on coin का tossing वाला part, coin tossed. Second sum will be based on dice thrown. Third sum will be based on cards concept. Fourth sum will be based on complementary event. These are the only type of questions which we are going to encounter in our school section. ठीक है, हम लोग इतने ही टाइप के क्वेश्चंस एनकाउंटर करेंगे अपने प्रोबेबिलिटी चैप्टर में. Also I forgot to tell you one thing, that is range of probability. Range of probability. Range of probability lies between 0 to 1. Probability lies between 0 to 1. मतलब probability cannot exceed 1. Probability cannot exceed 1. ठीक है, 0 के 1 में ही रहेगा वो बीच में. Next lecture again I will revise this part, range of probability, and then we will start solving our questions. I hope you have understood today's lecture. Any doubts you can ask me in comment section, and till then bye bye, take care, stay blessed, stay safe. ठीक है, we'll meet you in probability lecture 3. Bye bye.